Around 5 p.m. on a Sunday, I wandered into the same pub that we first laid eyes on each other. I looked around and saw two beautiful blondes, one of which was Amelia, who was staring at me with a twinkle in her eye and an excited look on her face. I had a feeling that I gave a better account of myself, and sure enough, a Facebook message appeared. Subject, long time. Nice to see you. See you again soon, please, Jason, ? Looked well, kiss kiss. In which I replied, hey, Amelia, good to see you too. You were looking hot. Wink.
Because I have a home somewhere to run to.
So, you've all been have to hold it. Oh, love it. Thank you very much.
I would never feel alone.
Well, Jason and Amelia getting married today confirms the love, the respect, and the true friendship that they have for each other.
These windows could shatter to the ground.
We know that the love that you feel today will grow stronger and deeper as you travel through all your tomorrows. Now you'll feel no rain, for each will be shelter for the other. Now you'll feel no cold, for each will be warmth for the other. Now there'll be no loneliness, for each will be companion to the other. Now you are two people, but there is one life before you. And I have the honour and the privilege to be able to tell you that by your words and by the law of this country,
Amelia knows exactly what she wants, what makes her happy, and will always go for what's best. And that's why she chose me.
You've become my
There's no denying you've made me a better person. You have done way more than just an improved look and a better wardrobe. I want to become the best person I can be and make you proud. From walking into that bar to 8 years later, standing right here with you as my beautiful wife. This is a new chapter of our journey, and it's so exciting to see what we can do together. I'd like everyone to raise a toast to how beautiful Amelia looks today. Saying yes.